my favorite kind of cooking. And improvised cooking, as I call it, which means I open my fridge, I open my pantry and see whatever I have on hand to make something quick and delicious. Yes, shame to say I had only a little bit of Brussels sprouts, a clove of garlic, 1 can, and I don't prefer using canned vegetables. I have no choice, this is all I have. Organic red beans, a little bit of tomato, crushed tomato, also canned, no one knows. I also cooked some quinoa. Of course, this is something that I always have in my fridge. Pickled vegetables. This is cabbage. I have a tutorial how to make pickled vegetables or marinated vegetables. Anything will work. And what I'm planning to do is roast these Brussels sprouts, mix it with the rest of ingredients, spice, season, and then make a wrap. Let's see what happens, because I haven't made it, never ever, but I'm sure it's gonna turn out amazing as always. For spices, I got allspice. I'm gonna keep it very simple this time. I have allspice, which has 9 spices. I got this as a gift. This is homemade organic mix of many spices. I don't know what's in there, I'm tasting it, but any allspice will work. And for some reason I want to use curry, because I love curry with vegetables in general. So this will be here, and if I don't use my jalapeno peppers, everyone will be very surprised, even shocked. I don't want that to happen, so I'm using jalapeno pepper as per usual. Salt will be in there, black pepper, freshly ground. What else? This is what I have left from my herbs. A little bit of herbs, parsley, cilantro. For oil, I'm using grapeseed oil. Anything will work. And I'm thinking to make very quick marinated onions to top my the mixture, right? So onion and red wine vinegar, wholesale size preferably. I'm gonna use a little bit, but this is all I had. Chocolate milk. Okay, can you share? So I stopped buying milk, and I keep asking for chocolate milk. So we figured out almond milk. I bought almond milk the other day. He loved it. So today he found regular almond milk, and they thought to mix it with chocolate ganache, and it worked. He got his chocolate milk, which he isn't sharing. I started preheating my oven. This is going to be a very long intro, probably the longest intro I've ever done, but it's okay, you'll survive. Okay, so I'm starting cutting. I already washed my Brussels sprouts. I'm cutting them into quarters because I don't want them to be too big or too crunchy. So let me cut this and we'll go from there. Now you can rest and relax, like Miss Angie is doing. Did you share? Yeah? Yeah. Thank you. Done slicing this, and I'm thinking if I had some cauliflower, I would have added that as well. I don't. I have no vegetables left. Tomorrow is our grocery shopping day, so we'll have lots of food, but tomorrow. This is here. Salt to taste, just as usual. I use Himalayan pink salt and spices to taste. A little bit curry, a little bit of this amazing spice I'm trying for the first time. It just smells so good. And jalapeno. Oh, black pepper. Black pepper has to be there, always and forever. I'm making something delicious that you're not gonna try. Garlic. Did I say about garlic? Garlic is a must. Garlic has to be there. You can use garlic powder if you wish.
I'm gonna help.
You wanna help? You'll add the oil, okay? And I'll slice the garlic into 4 pieces, then I'll remove it. If you like it, you can leave it there. Okay, just like so. I already did. Oh, okay. Since he wants to add extra salt, he can do it. Oh, did I mention about quinoa? I cooked 2 cups of quinoa per package instructions, and then I salted quinoa. It's good. So you can salt it or you don't have to salt it. He added a good amount of curry, which I think is way too much, so I'll dust this off. Every chef has his own way of adding spices. He goes very violent.
Black pepper.
Black pepper, yes, is a good idea. Okay, a little bit of oil, half a teaspoon or okay, a little bit. Okay, thank you. It was too much oil, and I'm gonna mix this just like so. I'll pop this into my already preheated oven, 520 degrees. I went violent on the heat. I want this to be ready very quickly. I don't want to cook it too long. Just a little bit roasted taste and texture. Okay, I'll pop this into oven. I'll be back and do my onions, marinated onions. I think you're done. That's good. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. And I'm taking in the garage. It's too hot here in Southern California. Okay, this is gonna be the easiest part. Making that marinade, you basically do nothing. Simply cut your onions, which I need another thing for onions, because if this board smells with onions, someone may complain. Okay, a regular knife. Okay, and no, I'm not gonna wash the onion. Don't even ask. What's there to wash? I'll slice them into semicircles. It's a better idea. Okay, no piano, we're filming. And very thinly. Bake. It's better to do this at least 20 minutes ahead, and I'm sure by the time I finish with Brussels sprouts, all the rest of my ingredients, as if I have any ingredients, this will be done. Okay, you can also add some salt to this. I'll see if I'll add the salt. I'll think about it simply, and mix it with your finger, and don't tell anyone. Teeny weeny bit of salt. Why not? I'll set this aside. One more stir. Ooh, that vinegar taste. And basically I have to wait, but it's a good idea to chop your herbs, slice your whatever pickled vegetables you find in your fridge, and we're almost done. This took me 7 minutes. 520 is like almost immediate roasting. And I'm thinking, and it's a good idea, I know you'll approve it, it's a good idea to add my beans and tomato to this mixture, to stir together and pop it back for 2 minutes, just to slightly preheat and allow the taste to come together, if you know what I mean. But this is too hot and it's glass, I don't want to break it. I'll give it a few minutes. tomatoes may be too cold for this. A little bit more spice, because beans and tomatoes are tasteless. I mean, beans taste like beans, simple. Tomatoes taste like tomatoes, super simple. So good. See, this is a dish that you can enjoy by itself. Cold or hot. No, warm, not hot. Okay, let's see. I'll add a little bit to temper it. I'm so smart. Okay, getting there. And you'll give me another 2 to 3 minutes. Salt. A little bit. Okay, so I'll see you in a few quick minutes. Smells amazing. I'll taste the salt. Perfect. It's so delicious. Okay, I'll be right back. This will go so well with beans, for sure. And if it goes well with beans, it will go very well with Brussels sprouts. It's an old saying. If it goes with beans, it will go with Brussels sprouts. Quotes by Heghineh. This is ready as well. I'll give these onions a few more minutes and go check on my delicious mixture. How amazing this looks. Just look at this. And I'll add probably a cup of quinoa to this. I'll save the rest to make something else for other kids. This is for me and Lilith. None of my other kids will appreciate this deliciousness, so it's their loss. Okay. And I want to find the garlics and take them out. I don't enjoy it very much, sorry. It smells so good. Arta, you want to try some of my delicious, I don't know what, dish?
I don't know what dish?
Yeah, it's called I don't know what. I should name my dishes. I should copyright my dishes. My improvised dishes. Okay.
Like carrot, Mama.
Hajan?
You can't.
I can't what?
You can't, you know?
No, I don't. Okay, and you need to
You
mix
can't
this.
name your dishes.
I can't name my dishes? Yeah, why do I have to bother and name dishes?
If you just first started, you could start naming your dishes.
He's so smart. I should have done it earlier. That's what he says. Okay, this mixture is ready. I want to taste it. And I think if I set this like for 3-5 minutes so the quinoa absorbs the taste, it would be a good idea, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh, I grabbed some feta cheese from my fridge. If you like with other kinds of cheese, you can go ahead and add it. So I'll take out the onions. And yes, it's another shameful thing to have only one slice of flatbread. Tomorrow we'll have lots of flatbreads. Okay, I'm going to arrange this mixture, which I need to take a bite from. it's the tanginess. I was gonna say a squeeze of lemon or lime will be great, but this will do the work. Angie is snoring. Onions, I'll go very light on onions. Lily doesn't enjoy them that much, but these pickled, marinated or onions always give such a good taste and texture. And lots of herbs. I wish I had some romaine lettuce. Okay, I think we should take a picture. I'll skip the feta, you know. It looks good. You wanna try? It's like salad.
Are those beans?
Yes, beans are good for you.
I don't want those beans.
They make you stronger, smarter, and more handsome. And very rich. Who doesn't want to be all of those? Anyways. Okay, let's take a picture before I destroy this. Huh? He wants to be rich though. Then you should eat some beans.
Yeah.
Right, my dear people? Yes!
No.
You said yes, right? Yes. They said yes.
No.
Please comment, did you say yes or no? And you're gonna read those comments. As all my subscribers, all over those 70,000 people comment, yes, you eat beans, you get rich. Yeah, he's gonna read those comments, okay? Okay?
If you win, I'll eat a bean.
If I win, yes, you'll eat a bean and we'll film it and share on my channel.
No.
And I'll send you lots of subscribers to Arka's channel. By the way, he has a channel. He didn't post on his channel forever, for ages.
Mom, because you didn't let me.
Because I didn't let him.
I was gonna make the cupcakes but you didn't let me
Come, it's okay. We'll make cupcakes.
today.
Everyone knows how to make cupcakes, right, my dear people?
I'm adding whipped cream and I'm flavoring the cupcake. I'm using food dye tea. Yeah, I'm gonna food dye some of.
After you eat a bean, we'll make your cupcakes tomorrow for your channel, my channel, your channel.
I'll do my channel.
Okay, then come and eat a bean so everyone can see how rich you are. Come on, it's delicious. This is so strange how they were used to eat some things. I would cook beans and give them as a toddler. They would eat it. Now he's a grown-up, he's an adult, he's a man and he's not eating beans. But for you. Okay, let's take a photo and finish. These pickled veggies are life. You wanna try a bean?
No.
A salad with bean? Why? I hate this. Okay. Now you see my pain.
I'm gonna try it.
He's gonna try it.
I'm not gonna try it.
Okay, are we filming my video tutorial how to make a delicious something? Huh.
Mom, can I have bread? Mom.
He wants to have bread.
Mom.
Hi, John.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Okay, come on.
Oh,
He's gonna try a little bite. It's already a little. Are you getting a little bit richer? Let me see your face. Come on.
See my face.
Come, try a bean, I'll see your face.
See my face.
Okay, let me see your face. Okay, I want to see your impression.
See my face.
No?
See my face.
You want to try a bean? See how he hated it?
Look.
Oh yeah, I love your face.
Smiling.
Can I kiss your... He's still smiling.
Mom.
He's a superstar, okay? He knows how to work with
weird.
camera.
It tastes weird.
It tastes weird. Do you want to try one more time?
No.
You wanna try a bean?
No.
Okay.
I just tried so I can make my cupcakes tomorrow.
Okay, we try for cupcakes. What a big sacrifice. Huh? You want me to add with cheese?
That's yummy.
Okay, he knows the taste of his mouth. He wants
Let's
some
eat
feta
it.
with his sandwich
Eat
bread.
it.
No,
Eat the bean.
I don't. I'm stupid.
It's stupid. Beans are stupid, you guys. In case you didn't know.
But that was kind of good. It just tastes like mashed potatoes.
Exactly, it's bean potatoes. Bean potatoes. It's delicious.
Potato.
Actually, I changed my mind again. I'll add half to the half feta because Lily doesn't enjoy feta, and we're gonna share this because we have, remember, only one slice of bread. Poor people. Let's see how we're gonna wrap this huge burrito, so called.
It's huge burrito.
I know, it's hugest
The biggest burrito.
on earth. Yes,
Yes.
not bad.
And Mom's made it. The burrito.
The burrito of century. How does it look?
It
Looks
good.
amazing.
Yeah,
Not just good, Arka.
looks cool.
Did you wanna try my newest invention?
The burrito.
Come.
It's all vegan.
It's all vegetarian.
Like,
And no, I'm not vegan and not vegetarian, in case you wonder. But I just enjoy eating something that doesn't make me feel either heavy, unhappy, regret that I ate it, depressed,
or sad.
or sad. Okay, let's see. It's good, huh? Amazing. Wow. I'm a genius.
Yeah, you should make a bit longer burrito. Yes.
This is long enough. This is amazing.
We should
You
have
guys
tape
should
measured
try it.
that. We should have
I love the
tape
Brussels
measured
sprouts
that.
in
If we did it, we would see if that was an
not gonna
actual
stop
biggest
cooking.
burrito.
Yeah?
Yeah. Turn back, let's go for a roll.
I would still add a squeeze of lime. Would you?
Yeah.
You feel the onions? Just a little. Amazing. No recipe, sorry. Just make it and eat it. Don't count, don't calculate. Just do it.
I can't believe you tricked me into eating onions.
I tricked her, yeah. But it's so good. It's almost no onions. Too thin and tangy. Should you go buy some of those flats? Those bread. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and also you can watch my videos on Facebook. If like my page on Facebook and follow, just in case. I'll see you soon. You should see them soon. They like your vlogs.
Really?
Really, please comment. Did you like how she vlogs like in very modern and actual manner? Yay! Okay, see you soon. Hiç hamur var.